These are just some of the few Telegram bots I found helpful. So without further ado, let's get started. The first bot on our list is OSS bot. This bot allows you to download all social media content, including videos, photos, and audio. All you have to do is copy the link of a media you want to download and paste it, and the bot also works in chat. The next bot on our list is Stickers bot. This bot can create sticker sets, emojis, and GIF
Just say
sets
GIFs. I said it.
yeah.
GIF. You can say it.
from pictures and gives you usage stats of your stickers. The third bot on our list is JSON dump bot. This bot allows you to fill JSON data of a message or file. This can be useful if you're a developer and you need to extract data from a message or file. With JSON dump bot, you can easily view the JSON data without having to write any code. The next bot on our list is Spotify Music Download. This bot can help you search, listen, and download songs easily using Spotify URLs and custom queries. You can directly sell Spotify URLs of tracks, playlists, albums, and artists to download them. The fifth bot on our list is File Convert. With this bot, you can convert files from one format to another. Images, audio, and videos, and other files are supported. Videos, messages, audio messages, Telegram, and WhatsApp messages are supported too. All you have to do is send a file to convert. The next bot on our list is EduTravels. This is an AI travel assistant here to help you plan the perfect next trip. This bot can help you with flights. It will find the best flight options, hotels, search the best hotels deals from around the world, tours and activities, get the best tour activities offers from around the world. The last bot on our list is YouTube. This bot allows you to search for and watch YouTube videos right within Telegram. You can use it to find the perfect video to share with your friends or to watch your favorite YouTube channel on the go. YouTube bot supports a wide range of search terms, so you are sure to find what you're looking for. Here is a bonus bot to all movie lovers. There's a bot that lets you download movies called Easy Peasy Film Bot. This bot lets you download movies, series. All you have to do is just search the name and choose it. That's it for today's video. I hope you have found this video helpful and informative. These are just a few of the main Telegram bots available, so be sure to explore and find the ones that works best for you. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.